The engines have been modified to support the Superchargers, so the guys from ProChargers stopped by to help with the install.
It's a high-speed compressor. Spins about 50, 60,000 RPM. Just forces air into the engine. Tough job, and somebody's got to do it.
To top it off, each engine will be equipped with blow-through carburetors from Carb Shop to add some pulling power.
They are the subject matter experts coming in, working hand in hand with the Army. In the military, our normal scenario, we have that a lot because we purchase our equipment from civilian companies. This is perfect for him. I mean, he gets great training. He's getting this civilian experience.
They call me Hollywood back in my unit.
Already?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I got picked to do this.
The moment has come to put this monster puller to the test. It's time to dig some dirt. The tractor pull is hitched to a Trans Am, and Body Drop adds some extra weight.
You ready, Body Drop? Hey, throw it in here.
The tractor pull mission is accomplished. The tractor puller has been brought to life and is ready for combat.
We got hot.
Yeah?
We got hot.
Yeah, that was awesome. You like that? That's too cool. What's the verdict? We're going to give out some tools.